In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an n8n workflow that turns audio and video links into polished AI meeting recaps, fully automated. By the end, your workflow will read links from Google Sheets, transcribe them with ElevenLabs speech-to-text, save the full transcript to Google Docs, analyze it with AI, and email a clean, structured summary to your inbox. This is perfect for meetings, podcasts, webinars, interviews, and training sessions, and I'll explain each node in simple, beginner-friendly language. We start with the manual trigger node. Think of it as a start button. This workflow runs only when you decide to click Execute Workflow, which is great for on-demand processing or testing before you automate further. Next, the Google Sheets node reads rows from your spreadsheet. Instead of uploading files, you just paste audio or video URLs into the sheet. The node looks for rows that aren't marked as done, so it only picks up items that still need transcription, keeping your pipeline clean and repeatable. To process items safely, we use split in batches. This creates a loop and sends one row at a time through the rest of the workflow. Handling each URL individually reduces errors, avoids timeouts, and makes it easier to troubleshoot. Now for the transcription engine. An HTTP request node sends the audio or video URL to the ElevenLabs speech-to-text API. It takes the link, processes the audio, and returns the full transcript as text. This model is robust and can handle very large files, up to 3 GB and as long as 10 hours, which makes it ideal for long meetings or podcast episodes. Once we have text, we create a dedicated place to store it. The Google Docs. Create Doc node spins up a new document, typically named after the transcription ID for easy tracking. Then the Google Docs Update node inserts the transcript into that document, giving you a permanent, searchable record in your drive. Back in the sheet, the Google Sheets Update row node marks the item as done and saves the document ID. This prevents duplicates and lets you see what's been processed at a glance. For analysis, we keep things modular. The Execute Workflow node hands the transcript to a second workflow, where the Google Gemini AI node reads it and generates an executive summary, key discussion points, decisions made, action items, important insights, and next steps. A Markdown node then converts that structured output into an email-friendly format so it's clean and readable. Finally, the Gmail node sends the recap straight to your inbox. Paste links, click, execute. Let ElevenLabs transcribe, store the text in Docs, analyze with AI, get a professional recap, and see your sheet update automatically. It handles long files, keeps documentation organized, extracts decisions and action items, and saves hours of manual work. You've effectively built your own AI meeting assistant.